This is Brent Reservoir, also known as the Welsh Harp. It's a bird sanctuary in West Hendon, close to the Hendon Mosque, and it's nearby to the M1 and the A5. That road with the bridge goes through the middle of the bird sanctuary. There's as much water on the other side of the bridge as is on this side. As you can see, there are lots of swans, coots, ducks, and other birds. The sound coming from the left hand side is the M1, which goes from London. The beginning of the M1 is nearby to here, all the way up to the north of England. It's very beautiful. There are lots of reeds up ahead. Very beautiful piece of water with public footpaths going on the left hand side and on the other side of the reservoir as well, leading to a small common. And there's a road that goes through the middle of it. So beyond that road there's more water. There's some litter that people have thrown on this side. Every so often the local community volunteers, they get together to do a cleanup of this area to get rid of plastics and other litter from the bird sanctuary. This coot is coming towards the camera very bravely. It's very interesting waves that it's producing behind it. So the weather today isn't great, but this would look amazing on a sunny day. A great place. So on the other side of the river, through that path, there's a common. It's a great place to take the family for a walk, to see the birds. So this is West Hendon, near Brent, and the River Brent has been dammed to produce this water reservoir. So they call it the Brent Reservoir or the Welsh Harp.